Hey, what's up everybody, it's Royce Pedal Man. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just gonna be a quick one. I just received this in the mail yesterday. This is my freebie, so quote unquote free Hot Wheels car. Was the Dollar General promotion Porsche GT2 993 body style, and it is awesome. It's in purple Spectra Flame paint, and we will get right into it. Here's the pack. If you guys want to read it, you can pause the screen. Actually, not pause the screen, but pause the video. You know what I'm talking about. That thing. Awesome artwork. Great. So let's do this. Ah, feels so good cracking these things open. Wow, this is just beautiful. It's like a violet color, I would say, with a deeper purple stripe up the middle. I don't care for the wheel choice. It's kind of has like a United States steel chrome wheels, so to speak, on it. The kind of like a gasser style wheels. I don't really care for the wheel choice at all on this. I do like the red line tires. That doesn't bother me. Very, very cool. Does have a metal base, which is nice. Of course, that is Real Rider tires. If you're unfamiliar, it's basically nicer wheels and tires, so you can take the tires off if need be. This does not have a roll bar in it that I can see. It does have the rear roll bar, but it doesn't have the full roll cage. Awesome. I think it was $7 shipping on this, and then you send in 20 cards plus your receipt. I don't know how close they nitpicked the cards. They had to be a certain case, from certain, like one case up to another, and I just made sure they were newer cars that I tore open and sent the cards. And just because I was leery, you go through all that work, I really didn't want them to send it back saying that you know, I screwed something up or whatever. Isn't she a beauty? You guys have to let me know down below if you guys mailed away for this or you passed on it or what you think. It's definitely more attractive in person than it looked, and actually in this lighting here, it looks almost pink to me, believe it or not. I'm kind of standing above it, so it's a very, very light purple. It's beautiful, it really is. It's awesome out of the pack. So much better out of the pack than in the pack, where you have all those reflections from your lighting bouncing off the bubbles. Really cool. All right, so there we go, the 2023 Hot Wheels Collector Edition Mailaway promo from Dollar General, the Porsche 993 GT2 in Spectra Flame Purple, and it is awesome. I really like it a lot. I wasn't quite sure, like I said originally when I had seen pictures of it, but I'm happy with it. You guys have to let me know down below what you think of it. Anywho, just a quick video. If you guys like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff or whatever. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free, and you can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. All right, talk to you soon. Bye now.